Hi guys, so this video is basically about my channel and what it's about. So I currently have made a website. I'm still working on it though. It's about my channel. So yeah, here's the files and stuff, and it's accessible on the internet already. This is just me testing it and stuff. And yeah, so we got this. I'm still working on this. You can see what the progress. And yeah, there's a bit about me right here. And yeah, and it currently is accessible on on mobile as well. So the address to my website is this. The two. That's what to find. Why is it not loading? Okay. Let me open Chrome. Secure because I haven't paid for any certificates just yet. And as you can see, it's not updated though. None of the links are working, and yeah. Yeah, it's not. Currently, it's not working. But the current one I made, I haven't updated the website yet. The current website I made is what is it? Damn it. So yeah, so if I were to like change the device to whatever demonstrating purposes, it's kinda is like responsive and stuff. All the buttons on the work, and yeah. Yeah, it still needs some fixing. So that's it with the website. So anyways, I was gonna also show you like what I do on my channel, other stuff I do. I also like make desktop apps and games. So this is the game I made. I stopped working on it because I'm quite busy. I'm about to write exams soon. Finish off high school. And yeah. Yeah, so I made this game. I think I made a couple videos about it, and I think I wanna update this game, make it like change the zombies a bit. Like look at this, the gray one. Like looks like some sort of weirdo with his hands out. It moves freaky. I need to fix that. I also was planning on making something similar, but make it like a survivor-based game, open world type of thing. And we should also want to make a game like this, make it multiplayer and online. Yeah, and there's some power-ups and stuff, and yeah, that's about it. I also tried making a 3D game, but I just got too tired of it. Because it's like a lot of super time consuming, and you have to be really clever and stuff. I'm clever, but I'm not just really clever. So you rotate around with the mouse and stuff. And yeah, the reason I stopped working on this is because it's just I can do the 3D maths. It's just that with the texture mapping and mapping all the textures right. What I got is here is a model, a a soldier model, and it looks so messed up and weird right now. Yeah, the model's supposed to be wearing soldier uniform, but somehow she's in a bikini. It's gonna make me look like a pervert or something, which I'm clearly not. Anyways, also made this game. I was trying to make an Air Force game type of thing, something like Sky Invaders, but then I just got tired because it wasn't interesting. Yeah, and the game is kind of boring. You just shoot on these things until you somewhat die. I also tried making other things. Other than games, I made a file transfer application. Here it is, and yeah. Actually, first time I started working on this was last year, and then I stopped working on it at the beginning of this year. So currently can transfer files over the LAN, local area network, but nothing else. So I can send, and I set a discovery name to know who I'm pairing with, and then I have a code for 2644, and then I go here and say receive 4654, and then something like James, and it says who's paired with it, and then I can browse whatever file I want to send. There's still a couple of fixes I need to fix. Yeah, the second one just crashed. Anyways, so Netbeans is kind of slow now. I don't even know why. Okay, now it should be working. Yeah, now I can. So as I was saying, I was trying to make it also like send files over the internet and stuff. So I can just go ahead and send. And I can receive. So code 57873. Yeah, this is what I was waiting for. Yeah. We can select like a file, single file to send. We can select a folder. And with folders, you can select only folders. And you select file folders, you can select files and folders. And select and stuff, and then you choose, and then you go and send. But right now, current is too laggy. And plus, I forgot what was happening. Anyways, it's been a while since January. Yeah. I also made something. That's one of my IT projects this year. And this is what I made. So it's just some form. So J code. The options. Yeah, I still don't have a database yet. So yeah. This is basically supposed to be Microsoft Access database application. And yeah, and I failed at this because I don't have Microsoft Access installed in my thing, in my laptop. So yeah, I could use the Netbeans database and stuff, but yeah, that wouldn't work out pretty well. And yeah, those are about my apps that I made, projects that I started working on. And yeah, that's about all of that. Nothing else. And yeah, all this stuff is just me practicing, trying to correspond to new concepts and stuff. And yeah, so anyways, so if you wanted to like check out my website, I'm gonna be updating it soon. You enter this URL. Enter this URL. Why doesn't Safari want to open? I don't know why. But it opens on Chrome though. Yeah, so just enter that. And yeah, the reason it's not secure is because I didn't purchase an SSL certificate just yet. Yeah, I'm not trying to hack you or anything. Yeah, I don't know who's putting these cookies though. Or the Google cookies. Yeah, all these cookies are by Google and not by me. And I'm not trying to hack anyone, so yeah. Anyway, so that's what my channel is about. Yeah, so I currently work with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Java. And yeah, what I would like to do is also like drop I don't know, game engine tutorials, how to make game engines, how to make apps, and also teach HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And I'm quite like new at learning JavaScript because JavaScript isn't like a I'm rambling on. So yeah, anyways, so please like subscribe, and if you're interested in stuff like game development and website development and stuff and software development, yeah, subscribe and like, and yeah. And anyways, my uploading dates onto my channel are not days, it's on weekends. That's when I have time really, because I have exams and stuff going on. So I don't have much time. So yeah.